The Australian Department of Home Affairs has announced the end of the 476 Skilled Recognised Visa category with effect from July 1, 2024, which is a significant event that will affect potential skilled migrants. For the current fiscal year, this visa has reached its quota, as it was created to make it easier for recent engineering graduates from accredited universities outside of Australia to temporarily reside in Australia. Formerly, engineers might begin their Australian immigration dream by obtaining an Australian 476 visa, which is an easy residence pathway to Australia. The 476 visa, however, is now subject to restrictions as a result of the new migration policy. This means that no applications for 476 visas will be accepted before July 1, 2024, and those that are will be denied. In this video, we will discuss the visa alternative for migrants affected by the 476 visa closure, as well as the eligibility criteria and how to apply. Alternative to the 476 visa. An extra visa for skilled migrants that allows them to work, study, or live in certain geographic areas of Australia is the Skilled Work Regional Visa. Skilled migrants enjoy a 5-year maximum stay in Australia on the 491 visa category with an easy path to permanent residency. After 3 years, holders of subclass 491 visas may be qualified to apply for the subclass 191 visa, which confers permanent residency. Therefore, you can choose this visa as an alternative to the 476 visa and also get Australian permanent residency. Eligibility criteria for the 491 visa. It is important that you confirm your eligibility prior to completing your Australian visa application. You must be under 45, have your registration of interest in place, and be willing to reside in a selected regional area in order to be eligible to apply for this visa. Along with these requirements, you must also be fluent in English, have completed the EOI points test in Skill Select with a minimum score of 65, and possess a positive skills assessment certificate. If you are applying from inside Australia, you must be living and working in a regional area of Australia at the time of nomination. Please be advised that several parts of Melbourne have been designated as regional areas by the Department of Home Affairs. How do you apply? The following 3 simple steps make up the Skilled Regional Visa Subclass 491 application process. 1. The Australian Department of Home Affairs must receive a registration of interest from you. 2. Following receipt of an invitation letter from the Australian government, an application for nomination will need to be submitted. 3. If your nomination application is accepted, submit an application for the selected visa to the Australian Department of Home Affairs. Once the Australian Territory or regional government has nominated you, you will get an email informing you of the status of your nomination. If the Department of Home Affairs does not receive your visa application within 60 days, you will not be nominated again, and you have to reside and work in the specified regional area for the term of your visa. Additionally, you must commit to keeping your contact details up to date so that you are informed of any revisions or new developments. Next steps for affected applicants. As the 476 visa program is closing soon, anybody hoping to utilize it to get a visa in order to move to Australia as a skilled worker will need to explore other options for applying for Australian visas. This change will have an impact on applicants who are in the process of applying for the 476 visa, as well as their dependents. In-depth information is also available through IMI account, and those who have not yet had their visas issued should check their emails for instructions on how to seek a reimbursement of the visa application charge. In order for potential candidates to make well-informed decision on their migration plans, they must remain informed of the most recent immigration rules and visa programs. Prospective immigrants should also be aware of the policy changes and updates regarding Australian visas, since Australia is constantly updating its immigration laws and procedures. The 476 Skilled Recognized Graduate Visa Program's discontinuation serves as a reminder of how constantly changing Australian immigration laws are, and how crucial it is to consult a professional before making immigration plans. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck!